Yeah. Okay, so this is a 2011 Chevy Impala. This is how to change the struts on it. It's easy. It's a 5-minute job. All you have to do is take the tire off, jack it up, and as simple as, you don't have to take that off. All you have to do is take these 3 nuts off. But first, before you just loosen them up, keep them on there. Come down here, and you'll take these 2 strut bolts out, knock them out, then it'll break loose. Then you'll move this forward, and then the strut will pop out, and then you'll take the 3 bolts out, and it slides literally right out. When you put the new one in, put it at an angle, and then just put it right back in. It's that easy. 5-minute job, literally. 2011 Chevy Impala.
Nowadays people change up when they see that Benjamin come. Till them haters give them breadcrumbs. At the top is where I'm dashed on. Until I die